So if you don't know me, I'm Linda Cullen. My blog is CraftyStampin, and I am kicking off the World Card Making Day event that is proving to be a little troublesome. So there seems to be some little trolls. So ignore them for right now. Stephanie's going to go work on them next now that she's got me live. And I'm going to make a card, and we're going to try and forget about all the little stress that's just occurred in the last 16 minutes. So welcome, and please comment, share, check out each. There's going to be 12 different demonstrators every hour on the hour. Hopefully it happens on the hour. And leave comments for them, encourage them. If you comment and if you purchase, so purchase from me or purchase from one of them, we all have a unique hostess code, and you'll see mine in a minute. And if you purchase from one of us with our codes, you will be entered into win some of those cute little door prizes and what have you. So, and Stephanie's running some other fun stuff. So this should be a fun day. So let's try. So now, all right, if you watched me before, I use a different system. So I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to be clunky with this system. So there's going to be no picture in picture. And so I'm now going to try to switch my camera down to my workspace so that we can start to do our projects. So here we go. Bear with me. Hopefully there won't be any more technical issues as we do this. Let's hope this works. All right. It looks good for me from what I see. So I run a show called Coffees and Crafts, and I did a poll on Instagram, and I asked people if they wanted a fall card or a Christmas card, and they all voted Christmas. So last Thursday I did a Christmas card for my coffee and craft show. So I thought today I would do a fall card so that the people who had voted for fall, because it's really close, could have a fun fall card. So here's the host code. If you use this host code at CraftyStampin.com, when you purchase something between now and next Friday, you will get a PDF of all the projects that you're going to see today, as well as my usual gifts. And so if you go to CraftyStampin, you'll see a blog post about World Card Making Day. I have all the details there, or feel free to send me a question or anything at CraftyStampin. So let's go. All right, so we're starting off. I have this is Pretty Peacock, and it is just this card base, and I have folded that in half. I am now going to attach, this is the Pleasant Pod. See, I'm going to even make up names. Plaid Tidings. To me, it's pleasant. Plaid Tidings. And I'm going to attach this with snail. No, seal. Stampin' seal. We have a new Stampin' seal. I see. I'm now all thrown off from trying to morally support Stephanie trying to get this up. So what is everybody doing today? So leave a comment. I can't. Can I see comments? Yes. Oh, cool. There they are. So leave comments. Say hi. I want to, whatever. Talk to you. All right. So I've added that with snail, seal. And so I'm going to go over here. Let's stamp first. That may unstress me. It's always good to stamp. So I have a piece of Whisper White, and I am using the Loyal Leaves stamp set. This, I believe, is in the Stampin' Up! Annual catalog. And I am going to stamp this gorgeous, these leaves are beautiful, this gorgeous big leaf here, and I'm going to stamp it in Cajun Craze. We're going to ink this up. All right. Try to get this about in the middle. There we go. I'm going to put this away. Now I'm going to stamp, I like these really big greetings. So I'm going to stamp this Older and Wiser in Early Espresso. Okay, make sure I'm doing it the correct way up. There we go. And I'm going to stamp it right over the middle of the leaf with the Early Espresso ink. There we go, nice and dark. Move this aside. I'm going to close up my ink pads before I stick my thumb in it. Hold on. Yes, share. I see everyone saying they're shared. Share, share, share. Let everybody know that we're having fun over here on World Card Making Day. So let's see. Let that dry a smidge. Okay. Then I'm going to start to assemble. Actually, I'll leave that for a second. All right, so here's a piece of vellum and a piece of, oops, nope. I was trying to mute so you don't hear all my dinging on my computer as everyone in the group chats. I have a piece of Cajun craze and a piece of vellum. I'm going to attach the Cajun craze to the vellum. Hold on, I'm gonna peek how yeah, okay. So I'm gonna put a little bit of the Stampin' Seal, and I'm going to center this on the vellum. Now I'm going to grab some dimensionals here, and I'm going to stick them right here on the Cajun craze. And yes, it looks like I'm sticking them on the front, but I'm not. It's the back. See, I'm talking to you like there's a second camera, but there isn't. All right, hold on. Here we go. Get these all up. Oh, and I got rid of my trash barrel. I neatened up. I neatened up too well because I removed my trash barrel. Oh, okay, let's get that back where I can see it. All right, so I'm going to now place this in the center right here. So you can still see the plaid. All right, so now I'm going to attach this stamped greeting to my bumblebee panel. And now more dimensionals, because I like me a bumpy card. You know, if you're gonna do it right. All right, so now, and this panel will hide the adhesive that shows through on the vellum. Okay, bum, bum, bum. All right, so that's the beginning. So I'm going to put this aside for a minute. I'm going to pull out my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, and I'm going to bring you out a little bit. All right. All right, so I have Bumblebee, and I'm using the Gathered Leaves die. These are, and I'm taking these 3 leaves. What's fun about these, oops, as I'm dropping them, is they not only cut, but they emboss. Look at this really great feel to them. So I'm going to take, for the Bumblebee, I'm just taking the large leaf. All right, slide that. I have a piece of Cajun craze, and I'm taking the big maple leaf. Let's just run these through together. And I'll say the comments, I can see them, but they kind of come up and go away. So just FYI, I will go back later if anyone has asked any specific questions and look. So I'm going to pull these aside. So see how they has a great detail and texture to them. So let's put these aside. All right, I'm also gonna do, I have a piece of old olive, and I'm gonna do this large leaf again, not the maple leaf, and the little leaf. And we're gonna run this through. Here we go. So here's those leaves. All right, so let me move my Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine out of the way. Oops, sorry, that was loud. All right, so now I want to attach. I'm going to pull you back in so you can see closer. All right, so I want to attach these leaves in and around my card. So I'm going to start with this bigger leaf, and I'm going to put some Stampin' Seal on the back. And I'm going to tuck this behind. I'm actually going to take my snips and cut off like the bottom. I'm going to tuck this behind here. And then what I want to do is put this one over it. So I'm going to add Stampin' Seal just to this section. And here we go. Now I'm going to do similar. I'm going to add this guy down here. I'm going to cut off the bottom of this one because he's going to be in the back. Adding Stampin' Seal to the back of that leaf. Stick him like that. And then this guy is going to go on top. Okay, let's see, we'll go like that. But I'm not done yet because it needs some bling. So I'm going to add some champagne rhinestones. I love the color of the champagne. And let's see, I use my take a pick tool to help apply them. See if it's going to be helpful at all. There we go. Come on. There we go. Some days it works with me really well, and other days, not so much. Oh, goodness. It's going to be one of those days. It's like a jumping rhinestone. There we go. It needs a few more because it's like fall. I want falling leaves, falling rhinestones. Okay. All right. And there is my fall card. So let me see if I can switch y'all back. Oh, we're back. So I hope you enjoyed that card. If you like what you saw, please follow me at CraftyStampin.com. That is on Facebook, YouTube, and that's my blog. And I hope you stick around. There will be there's 12 demonstrators in total today that are going to present in this event, hopefully easier than mine. And it'll be on the hour. So the next one will be in a half hour. And I hope you watch all of them. I hope you comment on all of them. Stephanie's running some really great little giveaways and little games and prizes. And I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'm done, though I'm not sure how I'm supposed to end this. So Stephanie, I didn't talk about that. So I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Enjoy your World Card Making Day. Share any cards on here. I don't know if Stephanie's doing this, but share if you're making cards for World Card Making Day, share those. So I'm not sure how to end this, Stephanie, if you're